Daily English Talks. Let's talk about our day.
Hey, Lina. How was your day today? You look like you've been really busy.
Hi, Tom. Yes, my day was quite full. I had so many things to do from morning until now. How about you?
My day was pretty good, actually. I managed to finish all my work earlier than I expected, so I had some time to relax.
That sounds nice. I wish I had a relaxing day like that. What time did you start your day?
I woke up around 6:30 in the morning because I wanted to go for a quick jog before breakfast.
Wow, that's impressive. I could never wake up that early. I woke up at 8 and immediately started checking my emails.
Checking emails first thing in the morning sounds stressful. Did you have any important messages waiting for you?
Yes, actually, I had a few urgent ones from my boss about the new project we're working on. It kept me busy for the first half of the day.
Oh, I see. I had something similar last week. Deadlines can really take over your day, can't they?
Absolutely, they really can. But I try to stay positive and take short breaks to keep my mind fresh.
That's a great approach. I usually take a short walk around the office or listen to music when I feel overwhelmed.
Music really helps. I listened to my favorite playlist while finishing my reports this afternoon.
What kind of music do you usually listen to when you work?
I like soft pop or acoustic songs. They help me concentrate without getting distracted.
That's nice. I prefer instrumental music because lyrics sometimes make me lose focus.
Oh, I understand that. Everyone has their own style of staying productive.
So after finishing your reports, what did you do next?
I had a quick lunch with my coworkers at a small cafe near our office. The food was delicious, but the place was quite crowded.
That sounds fun. What did you have for lunch?
I had grilled chicken with rice and some fresh juice. It was simple but tasty. How about you?
I made lunch at home, just some pasta with vegetables. I'm trying to eat healthier these days.
That's great. Cooking at home is always better and more relaxing than eating out all the time.
Definitely. After lunch, I spent some time reading a new book I just bought last week.
Oh, really? What book are you reading?
It's called The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. It's about being present and appreciating the moment.
I've heard about that book. People say it's really inspiring and helps reduce stress.
Yes, it really does. It made me realize how important it is to slow down and enjoy small things during the day.
That's so true. Sometimes we get too caught up in our schedules and forget to take care of ourselves.
Exactly. That's why I also took a short nap in the afternoon before getting back to work.
Lucky you. I wish I could take naps at work. But after lunch, I had back-to-back meetings until 5 p.m.
That sounds exhausting. How did the meetings go?
They went well, actually. We discussed some new ideas for our upcoming project, and everyone seemed motivated.
That's great to hear. It feels good when your team is enthusiastic about a project.
Yes, it really gives me more energy and makes the workday feel meaningful.
After work, did you do anything fun to unwind?
Yes, I went to the gym for about an hour. Exercising always helps me release stress after a long day.
That's awesome. I also went out for a walk in the park near my house and watched the sunset.
That sounds peaceful. Watching the sunset is one of my favorite ways to relax, too.
I love how quiet it is at that time. It gives me a chance to think about the day and what I'm grateful for.
I like that mindset. Reflecting on your day really helps you end it with a positive feeling.
Exactly. After that, I made dinner and watched a movie with my family.
Oh, that sounds cozy. What movie did you watch?
We watched Inside Out. It's such a beautiful movie about emotions and growing up.
I love that movie. It's both touching and funny. I could watch it again and again.
Me too. It reminds me that it's okay to feel sad sometimes because emotions make us human.
That's such a good message. I think movies like that teach us to appreciate life's ups and downs.
Very true. So what did you do after the gym?
I went home, took a nice long shower, and cooked dinner for my family.
That's sweet of you. What did you cook?
I made stir-fried vegetables with noodles. My family really enjoyed it, which made me happy.
That sounds delicious. You're a great cook.
Thank you, Tom. I'm still learning, but I really enjoy cooking for the people I love.
That's a wonderful way to end the day. Doing something you enjoy.
I agree. After dinner, I just spent some quiet time reading before bed.
That's nice. I usually like to listen to some calm music before sleeping.
That's a great idea. It helps you sleep peacefully, right?
Yes, it really does. So overall, it sounds like we both had pretty productive and meaningful days.
Definitely. Even though mine was busy, I feel proud that I managed everything well.
Same here. I think ending the day with gratitude makes a big difference.
I couldn't agree more, Tom. Let's both rest well tonight and be ready for another good day tomorrow.